Citizen leader NACHAMISA has hinted at the emergence of a new political movement, describing it as a new nation that will soon be unveiled. Sanapena mashoko kubuda panguva ino after NACHAMISA throughout my social media handles ake pamchete neChamisa news channel panguva ino anobuda achihinda kuti aiwa ava kuuya achiburitsa a new political movement. Toribo subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina panapa mnozere mzimba anobuda chiti. In the statement issued on Tuesday, Chamisa used symbolic language to illustrate the birth of what he termed a people project. In quotes, the echoes of the new, in the quiet, sacred beginnings of pregnancy, there is little noise, just the steady miracle of growth. But soon, the whispers turn to celebration, a baby shower, a joyful welcome, and then the world gathers to witness the arrival, he said. Chamisa suggested that the unveiling of the movement would be met with national and global recognition. Messages of congratulations will pour in from every corner. I hear them already, echoing across valley and cities. Happy birthday, new nation. Welcome. Hashtag a new great Zimbabwe. Indeed, hashtag God is in it. He added. Domashkwanta Gonari Gonoson Chamisa achihinda our pakurolewa out pay another new our political movement. Atuna kuti akubura rimwe bato new one. Panguva ine kuri kuno kwakunzi zvoitika coincidence muzanupef muchiitika chaos. NACHAMISA kuiwa achilonja political party yake. Tudze mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu mudze mafunguro enyu. Musakanga no subscribe or like. Pamwe chete nokuturn on the bell icon.